Hi folks, I'm Nate with Two Guys to Ride. Today, Rob and I are here at the Good Guys Car Show in Des Moines, Iowa, and we're here with Blueprint Engines, and we're here with Cale. Cale, thanks for being with us today.
Absolutely, thanks for coming and visiting. We're huge fans of the show, and we're huge fans of Good Guys, obviously. So,
you've got a tremendous selection of engines, and people can order them in very different ways. So today we're just going to take a walk through, and have you show us what you have and what would customers do if they wanted to order.
Absolutely. So, how it works is our main goal is to provide the most value to the end customer. Correct. So the most horsepower for the least amount of money, and then we're going to have different combinations to achieve that. Everything from just a base long block to what we have behind us, which are these full packages with front drives, either carbureted or fuel injection, and transmission packages. So customers going to come to us, for example, and say, hey, I have a Camaro, or I have a Dodge Dart, or I have a Ford Mustang. So we're going to cover all of those bases, right? GM, Ford, and Chrysler. And then from there, we're going to ask them, what kind of horsepower are you looking for?
Okay.
And, GM, for example, I cover everything from small block, big block, and the LS platform.
Okay. So, if you're rebuilding an engine, or if you look at your engine, you need to have it rebuilt, and you're thinking, I don't think I want to tackle this.
Yes.
Blueprint's one of the places you can go to get something that's as ready-made as you want to pop in your car.
Absolutely. And what a lot of people don't understand is we're not doing remans. These are actually all brand new performance crate engines. And I can provide you a brand new engine with a warranty, a 30-month, 50,000 mile warranty for less than what it's going to cost you to rebuild that engine that's currently in your vehicle.
Which is the amazing thing, because you have it's a quality product, that's all been established. But to offer it at a lower price, and we talked about this earlier, not paying a premium for that quality.
Yes, you think, oh, it's new, it's going to cost more. Well, it's not. With the cost of machining anymore, and how the challenges of trying to figure out which parts are going to work correctly, and you're buying off the shelf and you're hoping it fits, I've taken all that guesswork out of it. So at the volume I do, and we've brought so much in-house, I can actually provide you all those services for less.
That's pretty amazing. That's really nice. That's a huge, concern for the owner.
Yes.
Because you might have to piecemeal out parts of the engine to different places,
Yes.
Unless you can find a place to do the whole thing.
Yeah.
But that's just really, really neat. Okay, so I can call in as Joe Schmo, and I can, within 10 or 15 minutes, you'll go through a list of questions, figure out exactly what I need, and get that engine to me. How long does that take?
So depending on the engine, I have some in stock that we can ship immediately. And then if you're wanting a full package, those are all built to order. And depending on what it is and parts availability right now, it's a struggle for all of us. We'll let you know at that time what the accurate build time would be. But the good thing is you can call us. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be an engine expert. Just call us. We'll help you through the whole process. We'll walk you through the process. We'll make sure you're getting exactly what you want. If you're wanting to go fuel injection, we can do that. If you're wanting an automatic, we can do that. If you're wanting, a Tremec 5-speed or a Tremec 6-speed, I can help you with that also.
Man. All right, so take us through some of the engines that you have.
Okay. Well, right here we're standing in 3 of our Chrysler options. We do have the traditional small block Chrysler. We bore and stroke that to a 408. We do a lot of strokers, and this is one of them. And then what we launched at SEMA this year is our 3rd gen Hemi line. We both offer it in naturally aspirated and supercharged, so you can get all the way up over 800 horsepower, still with that 30-month, 50,000 mile warranty, and pump gas friendly at 91 octane.
Wow.
From there, we'll bump over to our Ford line. We all know how popular the Broncos have been, so we made a Bronco-specific package. It's even 4-wheel drive ready. Now, once again, you can get just the engine. If you're wanting to reuse your existing transmission, you can do that. If you're wanting to reuse your existing front drive, you can do that also. But what's nice about this is it's cammed specifically for the four-wheel drive application. It's going to work good if you're going to lift it, put on oversized tires.
Right.
It's going to have that low-end torque. You're not going to put in a more of a Mustang cam and be running at high RPMs. Yep, but we'll bump right over to the Mustang. We do have that stroker again, the 347. You guys are popular. We do have the 347 based on a 302. So if your Mustang had a 289 or it had a 302 or 5 liter, this is going to bolt right in.
That is so nice. You've taken all that work out.
Yep.
I mean, for those of us that don't dive deep into the engine, that's really nice.
Yep.
Right on.
And then if you've upgraded your suspension and you need the rear sump pan, I can build it with the correct oil pan also.
Nice.
Yeah. So once again, just call us. Let us know what you have, and we'll get you all taken care of. Staying in the Windsor line, but going a little bigger to the 351 Windsor base, we do a 427. This is really popular with all the kit cars. We work with Factory 5 and a lot of other kit car companies. This platform's been really, really popular. Same deal, small block Ford, over 500 horsepower, same 30-month, 50,000-mile warranty.
Okay.
From there, we'll bump over to our GM engines. Like I said, we do offer the small block, big block, and LS3 platforms. Small block, still our bread and butter, still most popular engines we do the most of. And then we offer that in the 383. Once again, you can get it in just a long block, or you can get it fully dressed like you see it here with the front pulleys, with the accessories. Both we offer. This one's carbureted, but we do the Holly Sniper, which is really nice. A lot of people come in asking, oh, I don't know how to tune it. I don't know how to do that. You don't have to. The Holly Sniper is a self-learning, self-tuning system. So you're running it. Yeah, you would need to upgrade your fuel system, and you need to add an O2 sensor. But when we sell it to you as a package, it's going to come with the O2 sensor. And in the package, we'll even include the upgraded fuel pump because it does require higher fuel pressure.
Okay. And then what do we have right over here?
Yeah, right here is the LS, which we all know right now. It's LS Swap the World.
Yes.
This is we've seen this in everything from going into Miatas to trucks. In fact, I even make a truck version of this, once again with a truck cam. And a four-wheel drive transmission. So we got all the trucks covered. Or if you're just wanting to hot rod your truck, I do this in a 6.2 liter and a 7 liter. So if you got a two-wheel drive, lowered truck, we got the right LS conversion for you also.
I think we got one more over here.
Yep. This right here, once again in that 800 horsepower range, LS3, aluminum block, aluminum heads, supercharger. This one actually is the Magnuson TVS 2300, so going to add 2.3 liters of additional displacement. Has the 6-speed Tremec, and like always, the 30-month, 50,000-mile warranty. And when you buy it as a package, it comes fully assembled, so it will have the hydraulic clutch, and this one does have the steel bell housing. At the higher horsepower, we're going to include a steel bell housing for safety.
So basically, get it in the
exactly.
Get it in the bay.
Yep.
Start tightening it down and then connecting various different things. Man, I tell you, that is neat. Now, price range I know goes all the way over the place, depending on what you're getting.
That's correct.
But when the customer calls, you're going to go through that with them, let them know their options as far as the price goes.
We are, and the goal is to provide the horsepower level you're looking for, the dress you're looking for, and then obviously the price range you're looking for. So everything from a basic 350 cruiser, in that $4,000 range, all the way up to a supercharged Hemi with a transmission and everything. That's going to be, around $30,000.
Right. Yeah. Obviously, as you order more parts and up the horsepower, that's going to cost. Well, Cale, thank you so much for taking us through your setup here and your display, your engines. What an incredible setup for people who are looking for an engine.
Yes, absolutely. So like always, you can reach us at blueprintengines.com or on the phone at 308-236-1010.
On that note, thanks for watching.